Hey there. So, is your Windows 11 computer feeling sluggish? Like it's wading through mud? Well, today we're going to dive into a super practical guide to get that thing flying again.
So let me guess. You made the jump to Windows 11. You were all excited for the new features, that sleek design, but instead of a speed boost, you kind of got the opposite, right? You click on something and you wait. You boot up the machine and you wait some more. Does that sound familiar?
Well, the good news is you are definitely not alone. This is a super common problem. And the best part? It's absolutely fixable. So, we're going to walk you through step by step how to get your PC back up to speed.
Okay, so before we jump into the fixes, let's quickly identify the usual suspects, right? We're talking about all kinds of things, from that pre-installed bloatware and sneaky startup programs to those super demanding visual effects, and even the health of your actual hard drive. Don't worry, we are going to tackle all of them. All right, let's get started. We're going to kick things off with some quick wins. This first section is all about instant performance boosts. I'm talking simple fixes you can do right now for an immediate, noticeable improvement. Okay, first step, and this might be the simplest but also one of the most effective steps. Just keep Windows 11 updated. Seriously, Microsoft is constantly pushing out patches that don't just fix security holes, they also squash performance-draining bugs. Just staying current can solve a whole lot of slowdowns all by itself. And look, it couldn't be easier. You just pop up in your Settings app, head over to the Windows Update tab, and click Check for Updates. If you see anything there, download and install it. A quick restart later, and honestly, you might already feel a difference. All right, next up, let's talk about looks. Windows 11 is full of all these slick transparency and animation effects, and yeah, they look great. But on some systems, especially if you don't have a beast of a graphics card, they are secretly just eating up your valuable resources. So here's the thing. You can get a really significant performance boost just by dialing back some of this eye candy. Just start by searching for visual effects and toggle off both the transparency and animation effects. Now, if you want the biggest impact, search for System Settings, go to Performance, and just select Adjust for Best Performance. It's a classic case of function over form, but trust me, it really works.
Okay, now this is a big one. Think about it. When you turn on your PC, a whole bunch of programs can just launch themselves in the background. And what does that do? It delays your boot time and just eats up your memory and CPU before you've even had a chance to open a single app.
Let's fix that right now. Just hit Control plus Shift plus Escape to pop open the Task Manager. Then head to the Startup tab. Now just look through that list. See that music app, that game launcher you don't need running the second you turn on your computer? Just right-click it and hit Disable. I promise your future self is going to thank you every single time you boot up. All right, here's a fix that might sound a little weird. Are you ready? Consider uninstalling your third-party antivirus. Now, I know, years ago, that would have been terrible advice. But today, the built-in Windows Defender is a really robust, efficient security tool. Getting rid of another program that's constantly scanning in the background can give you an immediate, and I mean very noticeable speed boost. Okay, so we've handled the quick fixes. Feeling faster already? Good. Now let's go a little deeper with a system tune-up. These next steps are all about clearing out that digital clutter to really ensure the long-term health of your PC. Over time, your PC just gets clogged up with all these temporary files, leftovers from apps and web browsing. It's digital junk. But Windows 11 has this fantastic built-in tool called StorageSense that can automate the entire cleanup process for you. And getting it working is so simple. Just go to Settings, then System, then Storage, and just toggle StorageSense to on. That's it. It's a total set it and forget it solution. And hey, if you're feeling impatient and want to do a manual clean right now, just click on Temporary Files on that same screen, and you can free up a bunch of space immediately. Okay, let's shift gears. What if your PC is slow and you're getting weird errors or random crashes? Well, the problem could actually be with your drive's file system. For this, we're going to turn to an old friend called CHKDSK, or CheckDisk. It's a little command line tool that scans your drive for errors and tries to repair them. You can think of it like a first aid kit for your hard drive's data. So to run it, you're going to need the command prompt. Just search for CMD in the Start menu. But, and this is important, make sure you right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Once you're in, you just type CHKDSK and hit Enter. That's all. Windows will then scan your main drive and let you know if it finds any issues.
But what if the problem goes even deeper?
Like, what if the core Windows files themselves are corrupted? This can happen, after a malware attack or maybe a bad update. For that, we've got to pull out the big guns. Two more powerful tools called SFC, which is the System File Checker, and DIM, which actually repairs the main Windows image that SFC uses.
So the key thing to remember here is that this is a two-step process. First, in that same administrator command prompt, you're going to run the dissem command. That basically makes sure your repair source is healthy. After that's done, then you run sfc/scan now. This command will go through and verify all your protected system files and swap out any that are corrupted.
Okay, we have covered a lot of software tweaks, but now we've arrived at the ultimate speed upgrade. If you are still rocking one of those older mechanical hard drives, this is, without a doubt, the single biggest, most impactful improvement you can make to your PC's performance, period. So what's the difference? It's all about the tech. An old hard disk drive, an HDD, it literally has a spinning platter and a mechanical arm, kind of like a tiny record player. It has moving parts. A modern solid-state drive, an SSD, has 0 moving parts. And because of that, it is just exponentially faster at reading and writing data. And look, the source material puts it plainly. Switching to an SSD is the best way to get a speed boost. I mean, everything feels faster. Booting up your PC, loading programs, opening huge files, it is truly a night and day difference.
And this really just illustrates the point perfectly. I mean, look at that difference. If a typical old-school hard drive scores, say, a 20 on a speed test, a standard SSD hits 100. That is not a small jump, people. That's a massive, massive leap that will completely transform how your entire system feels. Okay, wow, that was a ton of information, right? So let's just boil it all down into a simple checklist. Think of these as the key habits you can build to maintain a smooth, fast experience on your Windows 11 PC from here on out. It really just comes down to these 3 things. Number 1, always keep your computer updated. Number 2, regularly clean up junk files and old apps. Let StorageSense do the heavy lifting for you. And at number 3, every once in a while, just make sure your hard drive is in good health. If you can master these 3 things, you're going to keep that slowness at bay for good. So there you have it. We've covered everything from simple little toggles in the settings to some more advanced command line tools and even a major hardware upgrade. So after hearing all that, I've just got one question for you. Which one of these fixes are you going to try first?